Kasi electric candy siya. Experience mo, tulihin, katos, nakakapit ka ng kid, isog ka pa.
What we are fighting for is parents recognize success.
Now, and hi, I'm JL, 22, and I identify myself as a gay person.
My name is Christian Vilhera. I am 19 years old and I am bisexual.
I'm Asekon. I'm 22 years old and I'm bisexual.
My name is Julius Casper Glass, first, Casey for short. I am 18 years old and I am identified as a gay person.
I'm Alexandria, you can call me Alec, and I'm queer.
My name is Juliet. I'm 20 years old and I identify myself as aero-ace or aeronautic asexual.
In high school, like, tungkol sa pregnant ko, babi ko na ng-start na, I don't know, I'm attracted to both the men and women. And it's only recently nang siguro na na-realize ko na hindi nang galing dito ko nag-start to like na-own up na pala ang pagka-bisexual. Kaya na-realize ko na haling pagalit sa gamay ko, nasa namin ko, na the way I act, the way I feel towards other people, na-realize ko na ayaw no, halipag-realize ng gamay ko, managayan ko pa siya na sa lahat sa bahay ko na
For me, I guess, well, in comparison sa iba na sexuality sa identities there, I guess I'm more fortunate that mine isn't as taboo in comparison to trans people or gay people because they get a lot of hate. So for me, in early ages, I found out about that after high school. And I found out after a series of failed attempts and basta there was this one instance that really solidified. And after that, it made me wonder if I'm like a bad person, you know, like, because who doesn't like romance or relationship? Like, am I a bad person for maybe not liking this person enough? Am I not reciprocating enough? Did ko na balaan na there might be something wrong with me until later on, one of my friends mentioned about airways. And then I searched up on it, and after finding out, I know that siya, and that a lot of people experience it, it made me not feel alone, you know, and it's not, there's nothing wrong with me personally, it's just so happens na ako pa na. And having other people saying that they share those same experiences made me feel less than a bad person.
I know to myself na I'm different because my brothers keep calling me as a geek. Then I also know that because I always buy Barbie dolls for my neighbors, a set of DVD players full of Barbie movies, and when I was a kid, I know na I'm different. I'm not a girl or a boy. So when I was a kid, I labeled myself as a kid. Hindi siya super sensitive, especially when I was a child. Kasi nag-develop ako before na hindi ko okay. Nakakonit sa puro bahay. My aunts, my mother, my lola,
process. So, a friend of mine introduced me to Anita. So, yung mag-alala ako, got some girlfriends, and then months later, nakaka-check ako sa internet. I-confess. Tapos ko, before, I was always not sa ako and I thought, I was just, ginasabat ko lang siya na kami na, pero hindi ko sure if kung ano lang ba siya. Until ilang months later, yung na-feel ko iba na, I think ko, yung mas na yung sa guide dito at ako sa girlfriend.
I was grade 6. I was far more attracted to women than I was to men. But over time, I think I explored more of my orientation and my sexuality and found more guys also attractive and some of the girls also attractive. So it was a battle between the two.
I was part of the community, and there was never an instance, I guess, that I thought otherwise. I was straight, but like I said, I always knew within myself that I wasn't straight.
Sa mga ako ko, and also going out with my gay friends, okay na, it's very loud, sometimes it's very noisy, and definitely, hindi ko super, pero sometimes, hindi
So far, I'm comfortable naman sa orientation ko. And male kaysa sa female. And ang isang moment na nabataan ko sa short ko, like, totally yung nag-change ang pag-approach ko sa mga tao, like sa babae, yung kung more easygoing ko, especially sa partner pala, yung more friendly ako. And considering mga bro na andaan, ako lang isa laki sa mga butod. So, ginagagaan ko sa perspective pala ng mga babae. And sa lalaki, though I'm more clingy ako, attached and risque na going sa different part. Hindi kaya someone na napabalapit sa mga tao na part sa community, or it's not the fact na hindi ko proud, rather than not someone na i-flop kapit pala. Kay first and foremost sa orientation niya. Ang mukha niya, like niya, kaya sa hindi ko lang identity niya, sa orientation. So, mas tinafocus ko yung mga sa kaya.
LGBT community is a very big responsibility also, and it takes a lot of courage to be one. So I guess I can say that I'm privileged to be a worker. If I'm adamant with my sexuality, yes, I will forever believe, and my heart and my mind is set on being bisexual.
I guess you could say I am comfortable, but I do hope I am not arrogant. Only because romantic relationships sound really, ideal. Who doesn't want to be loved and to love? I hope that will change. I'm not set on this identity or orientation because again, I want to be loved.
I'm very so proud of our community because when you look at in every profession, there's always a one LGBTQ making a difference in every profession. And I am so happy na kita ko sila nag-excel sa ilang field, sa ilang profession. And yeah, so now, I am so proud that I can say myself and I can label myself as a gay person. And I don't have any plans to change that.
Upon realizing, siguro, upon come to terms with the fact na I am a part of the community, it feels light because okay, I belong somewhere. It's not an other, what do you call this? It's not outside the norm, like how I always considered it.
Nagsakay ako sa jeep, labing sa awan. Then, there's a pastor inside the jeepney saying nga siya nagkapatasil nga electric siya. At first, I didn't know that he was referring to me. And there's a woman beside me saying, ilang hipos na. And first of all, may kinapakampal ako ng malaking sa iya. But I didn't say any word. I just staring at him. Every time na matulong na sa takon, taas kilay ko, roll eyes ko, para ma-feel niya nga aking ko siya, na ako na kinapakambal sa ako. And natapos lang siya bakal sa mga laki-laki na bounce ako when he get off sa G-Grade 6. Transferring ko daan sa school niya na. So, wala sila kabalo. Siyempre, sa transferring, hipuson ka. So, wala sila kabalo na gay ako. So, sa labanan nila, dito na sila na yung call ang gawakan tawag sa akin, agi. Tapos, gama na sila agi, kalagir, isog ka pa.
Philippine, there's a point that I was the first word ko was junior ko sa mga father. Nag-expect sila may sila, may friends ako, pag-ibigay ko ako sa mga nag-expect sa ako. Also, sa mga elementary days, I also experience bullying kay mas comfortable ako hanggang with my girl and friends. Once later naman, my parents found out na I had that genetic boy. Tapos, I was forced to confess to them na I'm gay. Time pass na rin, kung nagiging kami, even though support sila, pero they still support for a while.
School was kind of the last relationship I really loved actually because I could never get into an actual relationship. Every time we got to a question I asked them for a relationship the same apple child and I get really uncomfortable to I don't get to like what's a relationship. But with this last person, he was really passionate. He was really romantic with us. It was hard during the entire thing that I knew him because he would shower me with love and affection, and I felt just really guilty, really bad because I don't feel anything. And it made me feel like I'm a terrible person. Imagine that I will not just imagining this person giving you everything and then loving them and then ikaw wala ka na because you're also confused why you don't feel how you're supposed to feel.
Sorry, or the movie. Rather, it's yung mga, every mga mundane pala mga gatap. It's always mga thoughts and feelings pala sa intersexual. Kaya hindi man daan, pero like yung ko sa laki ko, sa bahay. Pero actually, ashing pala sa mga thoughts, sa pagiging unsure siguro, na sa sexuality siguro.
Is getting catcalls, saying mistreatment, cis, and saying you look pretty to me like that.
That I always like telling people is I like Lady Gaga at a very young age. I was quite a dance, like drop, and I don't know, I didn't know how to dance, but I tried to learn it. And siguro, another, siguro a point in my life na na-affirm ko na I straight was when I got myself in a Christian youth organization. And, you know how Christian before it's our yes na reaffirm get ako sexual expression and yeah.
A friend came up to her. She was really supportive about it, and it really inspired me to think bisexual or in any kind of sexual orientation. It's a privilege, not a curse or not something to be ashamed of.
Nagpakamit ko rin sa life table. Chill lang na talk about my experiences as a gay, but yung past ako naman, hindi ako comfortable share sa iba sa mga problems. Mas nagkakaroon ako hindi na ako naman hindi ako comfortable sharing my problems and why wala ako naman hanggang sa iba I'm gay, even though matuwag ako.
Environment took a toll on me, especially if every time mag-attend ka sa activities or may close to things ka mo, remind God to not be like this, be yourself basically. Nag-transfer to schools, got into a very liberated school, let's say, State University. And, siguro dito, though, in our terms, we're giving boy ads, like, super, turning down barriers now, and it's reckless, honestly. But, that time, I was thinking religious na mga trauma na suffer from that or like ma-heal by letting myself be in my place. Stupid, basically.
I fully overcome because there's that ace the umbrella, there's specifically as an arrow, there's an arrow because there's this cute feel romantic where you do want to find a romantic relationship pero hindi mo kaya. So I'm more into that spectrum na I want to be in a romantic relationship where it's just not working out for me.
At some phase, idadaan lang ako ng anxiety. Pero eventually, tumagal siguro na like, syempre idaan ko permit ka sa internet, and curious ko yan. Dito ko like nakita ko to, ay rather nalantok ko sa TED Talk. Yan, nahambal yan, naminambal sa bisexual siya. Nahambal niya something like it struck a chord siguro. Yan, hambal yan, I'm in love with the person, not the gender. So, doon na-resolve na siguro ang thoughts ko sa nagpala ito na, dapat aparang gawin ko ang mismo ang tao niya, regardless of what the orientation, in a sexuality. Regardless, wala po nag-dwell in katama sa mga negative na bagay. I'm always looking forward to, like a better tomorrow, naman siguro. Wala, kung mag-dwell ko daan sa mga negative na it drains a lot of energy that it drains you mentally, emotionally. Remove yourself from who you are before or yesterday.
Feeling yan, na-overcome ko siya. Gaya na-overcome ko siya. May akong coping mechanism is I'm so fortunate na that I have a home where I can express my identity, my orientation freely. However, I cannot deny the fact na nakasakitan na mag-yapot every time na madumduman ko itong nakatapos sa ako. But it's just that, as I grew up, nag-build ko ako ng confidence. I surrounded myself with the people na gusto ako. Wala akong pinasiksikan sa mga tao na hindi ako gusto. So, one of those are the things na ako, mga mechanisms ko para malimtan ko to.
parang sa our ways. Because we are cool people na heart of soul. Ako sa bago. We are just, we are very, my friends would describe me as a very cheerful and loving-minded person. I'm just not loving in the romantic sense. Right? I don't necessarily would call us different because that would mean we are not what we are supposed to be, which is normal. We are normal. It's just we get a comparison with straight people that if you're outside straight, you are different. We're just the same people. It's just who we like and who we don't like. Not different.
Maging unsure, maging 50-50. Yan yung hindi siya totoo. And ang sa LGBTQ, ang limited at sa pamakat.
What people see from the outside is that the community is fighting for mere acceptance and equality. What we know, what we are fighting for is the rights to be recognized and exercised, syempre. And it's not for mere acceptance and mere concepts of equality, but for liberation. And in order for liberation to be reached, and reach natin is mag-liberate ng dapat, of course, kita from other conditions na nag-leader sa atin, like for example, class. Because class and gender are intersectional and hindi naman sila mapag-iwalay. And umanagal niya at kasabihan na ang paglaya ng uri ay paglaya din ng araw. What we want is total emancipation of these conditions that
So, everybody, some says na if you're gonna love a gay person, you will be gay eventually daw. So I will address that and I will disagree with that. Okay? Love has no gender.
Like in terms of hindi ko na kaya mo hip-hop na it was being na I want to put sa hindi ko na yung I was looking forward to pinatay ko yung passion.
Being part of the LGBT community is your misfit, but the people I met are one of the kindest people I've ever met.
Maybe we should just be okay with types of love outside romantic. We should focus more on our platonic friendships.
And the human being is complex. So don't beat yourself up kung hindi mo pa na-figure out self mo. Hindi ka obligated to come up. No? Kay nadaan, mas ginafocus ko ang ako niya na life bala. Away from sa kanya orientation, iaaral na siya. It's an aspect of identity, not the center point, like the focal point. Hindi na siya lang na-focus siya. Siya yung main point. Rather, isa na siya ka aspect niya sa identity ko nga consider ko sa kanya unique sa ako. Ako na siya.
If there's an advice that I can give to my younger self and to other younger LGBT who are afraid to go out from their closet, all I can say is look for that confidence and love yourself. It may sound cliche, but always love yourself.
Don't let anyone look down.
Stay closet, during realizing that this is okay. This is not something that I should be ashamed of.
there are things that they're showing on social media to be cool and something like something everyone, it's trending. Sometimes, madami hindi good for you, especially when it comes to explorations in the sexual aspect. When you're young, you think you have to experience so many things, but siguro what I would tell my younger self and other younger peer folks would be, you don't have to be anything. You don't have to experience all of the things in life, subong or right away, you need to be gay. You can still, experience them safe and in a manner wala when you look back hindi ka regret or hindi ka compensate for your assumption. Okay, seen a lot very normalized posts and online nga. So what if bakla ganito, achiever naman yun. You don't have to compensate for your misogyny. Because like any other people, straight, you're human. And you don't have to have redeemable na mga characteristics. And hindi mo ma-measure na yung worth sa inyong achievements. Eventually, ma-burnout ka lang, proving to people na you're as worthy as other people. Just stay still and enjoy your youth.